I must compliment the chairman, the director of IIM Jammu for having successfully inducted the ninth batch today. And it gives me an added pleasure and pride also to see that we have grown these institutions growing from the infancy, rather from the day they were conceived. I've been associated both with these twin institutions of IIT and IIM, which are actually located next to each other. And we have seen, and today it was heartening and gladdening to find that more than 350 new students from all parts of the country, virtually from every state and UT, have taken admission in the last 2-3 days in this ninth batch. And it gives us an added vindication, sense of vindication, when we recall that we have seen those times that even faculty was not ready to join IIT and IIM. So we had to literally struggle to find a director, both for IIM Jammu and also for IIT. Though of course we got a very illustrious lot there in the form of a director for both these institutions. So going from there, among the 21 IIMs that we have across the country today, I think I can say with a reasonable amount of confidence that among the newer IIMs that have come up during the Modi government, Jammu has been rated as among the better ones. Our placement is also 100% and they are evolving each year to the next level. And the other experiment which has been successfully conducted over here is that they have entered into a multi-MOU among all the institutions, which was actually suggested by me about 3 years back, because incidentally Jammu is a place where in a vicinity of 4 or 5 kilometers, you have IIT, you have IIM, you have AIMS, you have CSIR, IIIM, you have Central University, which has North India's first space technology teaching department called the Satish Dhawan Center. So all of them are now working in an integrated fashion, because as all of us now realize, the era of working in silos is over. So we have to grow further from here. As the Prime Minister Modi keeps saying that we have to be third economy, we are already fifth. That is possible only we move ahead in an integrated fashion. And also, many of the new avenues which are going to add value to India's economy in the future are going to emanate from here. We have successfully conducted Aroma mission in Jammu and Kashmir, the Purple Revolution, which has given rise to a new genre of agri-startups called Lavender startups. And again, IIM has a huge, and CSIR has a huge participation in that, because I firmly believe that to sustain a startup, you need to have a very strong industry and marketing and management linkage right from day one, which we